Hello my name is Chandra Sendra and today I'm going to make a video and tutorials about how to buy and sell stocks. So first thing first, I'm going to make these tutorials on my laptops and as you can see in here, I'm using Chrome. Yeah, you can see in here I was, oh wait, yeah, in here I'm using Chrome. So yeah, let's get started. How to buy stocks is actually very simple. All you need to do is to find the stockbroker first. So I've recommended you to use the Stockbit stockbroker. Yeah. So Stockbit is one of the stockbroker in Indonesia is that you can use to buy and sell stocks. So in here, I'm sorry, I'm a bit confused. So in here, I've been click the link in Google that goes in stockbit.com, and in here, the first thing first to start investing or even buy the stocks or selling the stocks, all you need to do is to register your account, and you click this sign up button. Okay, so in here I've been logged in my account. So as you can see, this is the home page of the Stockbit stockbrokers. So to get started with buying or selling the stocks, all you need to do is to verify your account, and then you deposit some money so you can uh, buy some stocks. Okay, you may have never buy some stocks, and you need to buy some stock first so you can sell it later. So in here, it was on Saturday. It's on Saturday. So the market is actually on close. So I might not be able to really buy some stocks and sell some stocks anyway. But in here, I am going to show you how it's the schematic for buying the stocks. So let's get into start of the day. So after you have been opening this website and this, you have been registered your account, just you need to find some companies that you want to buy their stocks on. To buy some stocks, you need a reference of the stock that you want to buy. In here, I will show you how to buy the stocks from the companies of Koto. It's the Gojek Tokopedia company that have been very trending in the last 5 years, something. This is last 2 years or 3 years, I forget. Yeah, the Goto is having a initial public offering, so now you can buy their shares. So in here, to buy some shares, you need to click these things up. I forget to say that. You need to you need to click these apps, these things, and you need to type the company code, which is you can find in here. So if you want to say go check and Tokopedia, okay, you can see in here that is called Koto, but you can also call it Gojek and Tokopedia anyway. You see, this is Koto, Gojek, Tokopedia. You can click the things and it go to this like page. So in here, you can see the first things. In here is the price fluctuations of the Koto shares. So after you have been logging on your trading account, it's just like real or virtual area, something like that. Uh, you can see that there is a buy button in here, and also this panel, which shows you that you can place order on it. So in here, I will try to buy like around 100, for example. I have some money in here, but because this is Saturday, so it doesn't really happen. So the market is have been closed, so you cannot really buy something in here. So after you have been input your price and oh yeah, so before this things up, I want to mention that if you want to trade your stocks, you can trade on stocks in the on working day, which is on Monday through Friday, and the market will be open at 9 o'clock, 9 a.m. until around 3 p.m. So don't waste your time and yeah, keep on the keep on time so you don't miss the opportunity to buy on the low and sells on the high or something like that. So yeah, because this is on Saturday and it was on uh, 6 p.m. So you will never be used to. I mean, you will never actually trade the stocks because you can. The market has been closed. So okay, back to this panel. In this panel, I've been set for price of the one shares for 125. I want to buy the go to shares for 125 over one shares, and I want to buy around 100 a lot. Okay, so after you've decided this, you can see that you will need amount of 1,250,000 rupiah, so you can buy this stocks. But to be mentioned out, you will get discounted. I mean, it's not actually discounted. It's you are going to get feed from uh, buying the stocks. So there's laws that if you buy something like shares, you will get some taxes like that. So it's going to be more than 1,250,000 rupiah. So yeah, you're going to get taxed again after if you're going to sell your stock anyway. So yeah, there's two taxes. The first one is buying taxes, and the second one is selling taxes. So yeah, uh, better out that if you want to buy some stocks, you need to give some air on it. So the fee is going to be fine. So in this panel, after you set for the price, buy it a lot, and there's a one type again, order type. So you'll just good for day, so you don't need to the trade. I mean the I mean you if you're going to buy, it means that you're going to bid. So if you select for good for day, you are going to bid for a day. So after the day is done, it will be closed and you won't get I mean if the market is closed and your bid wasn't get executed or someone doesn't sells that shares to you, you will get cancelled and you get your money back like that. And this is one is good to cancel. It's just long time duration. It's just like 6 months. It's just like that. So even if this today's market is already closed, it will still be open for tomorrow. So it can be executed at any time. So yeah, in here I will just do for the default settings, good for day, and I will do the place order. After you set this apps, you need to check that you have what's on your balance, your amount, and you just click the place order, and boom, will be directed in which is called the historic page. I think it's kind of long. I don't know. Maybe I just cut this out. Okay, so in here, I've been experienced about four trades in here. It was on the trade is, I mean, the three stocks I've been trying to trade in here was only for training for making this video. So yeah, let's just focus on the Koto. So in here, I was on buying the Koto, right? So because today is on Saturday and the market was closed, or is closing, I mean is the market is closed, my order status is rejected, and you can see it's because market closed. So it going to be on uh, very weird details on it, but yeah, it just if it's going to be executed, it will be get successful or buy something in this status, and you will got order price 125, but order 100, lot done like yeah, it's the same 100 if it executed for all. If it partial, it's going to be the number have been bought, I mean have been traded to you. And the amount ordered is the valuation that you have been bought. Oh yeah, so to mention that before I said there's taxes. So the last time I said that it was like 1,200,000. I mean, 1,250,000 rupiah, and you guys, as you can see, there is a fee like 2,500 for the fees of buying the koto. But if you don't have executed the trade, it won't be on. You won't get the tax out. So if it get executed, then you get the tax out. Okay, so it's just fine if it's not executed, you won't get taxed. So yeah, this is the Goto if you want to buy things, and as the same things, if you want to sell things, it will going to sell a throw or sell Goto in here in the up there, and there's status, order price, lot order, lot done, and things so. So in here, I will show you how to sell the stocks again. After we buy some stocks, we can sell the stocks again, and this is why the stocks market are very funny or even uh, famous for it because you can get money from selling the stocks. Just like you can buy something and sell it for higher price, and that's how you make money from the stocks market. Usually, you can use investing technique or day trading technique, but I'm not going to talk about that things because my focus in here is what about how to buy and sell stocks. So right now, as I've been mentioned before, I have four stocks that have been bought from around 1 month ago. And yeah, in here, to sell the stocks, I need to click is to decide. I'm going to choose this PPTN, for example. Sorry. Yeah, let's get back again. Okay, so I will choose this stocks PPTN, and I'm going to sell it. So how to sell this these stocks? For selling these stocks, all you need to do is to click this X button in Reddit things, which I have been clicking on this. I mean, I've been pointing on of this. So you click this apps, and it will direct you to the selling page. I mean the selling. I mean it's not selling. It's just selling panel. Okay, it was not for page. Okay, let's wait. I think my Wi-Fi is on lows something. Let's try again. Okay, so I've been trying again, and this comes up. The panels comes up. So after this panels shows up, you need to do all you need to do is to set up how many lot you want to sell and how much the price you are willing to sell for. So in here, as you can see, I only have one stocks because it's very expensive, around 1,000 for shares. So I only have one stocks, and I will sell around 1,365 per shares. So after I've been set deals for these things, all we need to do is to click this place order, and then this panel shows up. The sell BBTN checked it, of course, because it market closed. And yeah, the details on here. But as you can see, that I've been losing some quite monies because yeah, investing is not about caring about the monies of loss. All you need to know is the valuation of the companies and some other things. But yeah, let's back to the section. And yeah, I think yeah, that's how you sell and buy some stocks, right? Yeah, that's on the point, I think. Well, if you want to ask about how to buy or sell some stocks, you may ask in the comment section there. And if you want to ask more about how do you decide to buy some stocks in here or in which companies, you may want to learn about the top-down analysis on economic and companies, or you may want to set for the company valuation or something like that. So you can things which companies are good to be buy out of their shares. Okay, so yeah, I think this is all for my tutorial videos. I hope it helps you to know how to trade and uh, what is the stocks is about. And yeah, uh, if you have a question, you can put the question in the comment section. My name is Chandra Purusa Masendra from 12 Minggu Ketiga. And okay, thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.